Welcome everyone into my awesome first graders. I wanted to do this end of year awards. It's not quite the way we all want to do it. I'd rather be seeing you in person, be able to give you the hugs and tell you how proud I am of you for all your hard work, even during this time of this COVID-19. You still worked hard and you still kept going, and your parents, I want to thank you for everything that you've done because I know this hasn't been easy. So let's get started with our end of year awards. Here we all are, all 17 of us, our first grade class 2020-2021. First award goes to the Awesome Artist Award, awarded to Jeremiah Cabral. The Hard Worker Award, awarded to Delilah Castro. The Radical Reader Award goes to Camila Cordova. The Marvelous Mathematician Award goes to Mickey Diaz. The Happy Helper Award goes to Ariel Dominguez. The Radical Reader Award goes to Ethan Lara. The Wonderful Writer Award goes to Lucas Lara. The Handwriting Award goes to Alexandra Leal. The Marvelous Mathematician Award goes to Devin Lopez. The Super Scientist Award goes to Carlos Lozoya. The Radical Reader Award goes to Emiliano Macias. The Radical Reader Award goes to Elijah Nares. The Wonderful Writer Award goes to Paris Nares. The Marvelous Mathematician Award goes to Juan Ortiz. The Lovely Listener Award goes to Arabella Rivas. The Radical Reader Award goes to Martin Rodriguez. I want all of you to give yourselves a round of applause, a pat on the back. You guys are all awesome. You do your best. You come into the classroom and you give me your best and you work hard, and that's all I ask of each and every one of you. I prepared a little video of our year. So let's look back at our year in first grade. You're not going to be able to hear them. It's just music in the background, but I'm going to mute it because I find whenever I play a video like this, the music is kind of in and out. So you're not going to hear the music, but we're going to just look at our year in first grade. Let's get started. Washington Heights Tigers. Here we all are. Here we are. We're rising up to the sky, rising to success. I'll remember our respect agreement. We all wrote and promised to respect each other. Do you remember our field trip to the Fort Worth Zoo? I remember. Here we are talking to each other, noticing things, seeing things. Oh, look, here we have some of us are using our map skills. We're looking at the map to see where are we going to go next. What are we going to look at next? Oh, here we are. I think this may be, not really exactly sure if it was the alligators. Here we are again. We're looking at our map. Oh, now it's Christmas time. Christmas time. Merry Christmas from Miss Castillo's first grade class. Oh, remember our elf? Our sneaky little elf? We came in every day. And look here, when he wrote to us to let us know he was here. This is our time of celebration right before our winter break. We're all decorating our cookies. Do you remember when we decorated our cookies during our winter break celebration? You guys had lots of fun. I think you probably even like eating the cookies more than decorating them, but that's okay. That's the best part, isn't it? Here we all are. Look at us. We have fun in math, playing our math games. I remember that. Do you? I hope you do. working really hard. I remember all of us always working really well with each other, helping each other when we needed help or we didn't understand something, playing these fun math games. Here we are again, showing everyone how we work together to solve math problems playing these games. Always so much fun. Again here, you can see here, parents, that you can tell that all our kids loved each other and worked together. We were really good working with each other and helping each other when we got stuck. Oh, the storybook parade. Remember that? If you give a mouse a cookie, here we are. We're all cookies. Thank you, parents, for those cookie costumes. In our class, we work together. I think you've seen that already. Here we are working on a project in reading, working together, all of us putting in our part. Here we are talking about our ideas and sharing our ideas. I'm so proud of them for doing this, working together. Here we have fun times in science. We loved science, and here's how we could tell how heat can change things. We really like that. We went outside to talk about the wind and what wind is and how we can describe wind and wind as a type of weather. This was fun. Then we continue on to Dr. Seuss's parade, our parade for Dr. Seuss. And we did 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, remember? Thank you again, parents, for all your help with these wonderful fish costumes. Then I'm going to pause right here, guys. Then we went to spring break and we weren't able to come back. I missed all of you, but we knew that we had to stay home to stay healthy and safe. And you guys kept on going, even though it was hard and we didn't want to sit in front of computers. Here, there's a few of us connecting through our webcams and having meetings. I miss school. This is one of your art projects that some of you sent to me. You use nature to show some art. Yes, I missed school too, and I missed all of you very, very much. So, we are back here, 2nd grade. Here we come, and I know that you guys are going to do everything to make sure you do your best, and I hope that next year when you're in 2nd grade that you will do the same that you did for yourself and for me, and that you will continue to work hard, give your best. But for now, it's summertime. I want you to enjoy your summer. I want you to make sure that you stay safe. This is not a goodbye. This is a see you next year. As I see you in the hallways and your 2nd graders, I want you to wave to me and say hi. And guys, you will always have a special place in my heart. All of you do. You all have a special place in my heart because you all showed me your hard work, your love. And parents, I want to say thank you for allowing me to be your children's 1st grade teacher. It's been wonderful and it's been a rewarding year for me. I will always love your children. Their best interest was always what I had in mind for them. So thank you for everything. I'm going to send a copy of this to you through email if it allows me to. Otherwise, I will have a copy of this end of year award for each of you to access through our Google Classroom. And I don't know if you'll be able to download a copy, but I will also try and email this to you guys. Ms. Castillo loves you, and have a safe summer, and know that Ms. Castillo is always here to help you, and see you next year. Bye.